Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. Okay, now today is our first lecture, so that we already started in our class. So here we have 1.17. Okay, so 1.16 and before this all, I was last week I was sent you the answers and we already finished all this. If you have any question related to that, so please ask me at any time. Okay, so I will answer you. Okay, now here we have the exercise name, its name is just a moment. Yeah, here rounding numbers. Okay, so first of all, with the decimal, let's suppose you have a lot of numbers like 64.839906. So I said round to the nearest whole numbers. Whole numbers mean without point. Remember this thing. So a part is without point. So the unit 4 is the unit place, so this next digit is 8, so you can round up to get 5, okay, to the nearest whole number. Let's suppose class, I will tell you one more thing now here. Where is my annotation? Yes. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now let's suppose whenever I say whole number, so we don't need a point. So before the point, any number that you can see, if this number is more than 4, okay, like 5, 6, 7, 8, so you add 1 on the above number or the front of this number, okay, or you said right side of the number, yeah, after the point, okay, so you add 1 on this number. Let's suppose here is 8, this is more than 4, okay, so what you do, you add 1 on this number, so 1 plus 4 5, so your answer is 65, that is nearest whole number. One decimal place means after point, you there must be one number that must be left, so you just check before that number, okay, so we need this number, so before that number we just check what was that. Okay, now look at here, here is 3, okay, so it's less than 4, it's not a 4 or it's not a 5 or more, it's 4 or less, so it's mean we never add anything, so we write here 64.8. And 1 dp mean one decimal. Once you write one decimal point or anyone asks you in your question, so you put one decimal point, so you must mention here it's a 1 dp, after a point there is one digit. Now next let's see, and the one third part is three decimal places. Three decimal places means you must have three numbers after that, okay, so after point 1, 2 and 3, so three numbers you must be place it here, okay, so what we will do, we will check other than fourth number, okay, fourth decimal place, is it more than 4? Yes, so what you do, we add 1. So this scenario is so good because it's a 9, okay, so 9 plus 1, okay, we add 1, so it's a 10, so we put here 0, and 1 is going to the another number, like here 3, so 3 plus 1, that is 4, so our answer is 64.840. And after point, you never read the number like 840, don't say like that, okay, you just read the numbers point like digit by digit, okay. So like that we are solving the our exercise today. Here is of example, second example. So what we will do, let's check. Now here he's give us a question, part A, 1.076 to 3 significant, here above is decimal points, okay, so significant means total you have three numbers, okay, so here I count 1, 2 and 3, so we just check fourth number. What is fourth number? That is 6, more than 4, yes, so we add 1 here, so 7 plus 1 8, so answer is 1.08. So three significant features, and here one significant, there is, don't mix this one, okay class. So why? Because significant features mean the total number of digit, and decimal numbers is, or decimal point is the number that you already have. So here he said one significant means after the one significant means other than 0. These all are 0, so we never count these 0, okay, zeros are not counted in significant if the 0 are in the start, okay. So one significant means once you get any number, let's suppose if he write here 1, so we just write here 1, okay, but here if in the start there is 0, so they don't have any worth. So what we will do here, after zeros, the first digit, any first digit that is here, that is our number. So here is 7. 7 is our number other than 0. So after 7, that number is 3. Okay, so 3 is less than, it's not a 5 or more. It's less than 5, means 4, 3, 2. So we never add any number. So we just write here 0.007. So we write here one significant. Even we are writing four numbers, but they are not more four significant. In the start, whenever you find any zeros, so don't count it. Once you get more than zero, any number, then you just count. Your significance will count from there. Okay. Now here 1.7. This exercise is so easy. Round the each number to the two decimal places. Means after point you must have two numbers. So here let me take now here after point two numbers. Okay, so this number, the third number is 5, so it's more than 4, so we add 1 here, 1 on the next number. Remember this, not on the same number, next number. So 1 plus 8, 9. So what is its answer? Its answer is 3.19. Okay, so here is our answer. So same like that, let me choose another color. Okay, now let's see this one. Okay, he said two decimals number. So what you think, what is its answer? That is after point two numbers you have. Okay, so this one is two decimal, means 0. Its answer is 0. After 2 points there is a number that is 9, means more than 1, more than 4. Okay, so we add 1 here. So here I write 1. So 1 plus 0, that is equal to, that is what? That is equal to 0.01. Okay. So we never write fifth number. Let's, the same thing is here. Okay. So here you write 0.01. 0.01 because it's also more than 4. Okay. So I hope you understand. Now this one, end part, it's after point two digit we need, and then we will see there is a third digit is 6, so we add 1 again. So what I write here, 12.02. Okay, so like that, you just solve all these numbers, and let's go down and solve the other part. Now I erase the previous one. Now here we have significant figures. So now in these questions you understand the difference between significance and the other. Now he said four significant. First of all, four significant means you just have four numbers. Okay, but if you have start any zero and the start number is 0, so you never count that is significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are already 4, so you write the as it is same. Okay, once he said three significant, so in case of second part, three significant is 1, sorry, 4, 5 and 1. Okay, not 2, because 2 is less than 4. Now same like that here, if we say one significant. Okay, so what we will do here, so after 4 we just check this one is 5 more than 4, so we add 1. So here you write 5. Okay, so let's see their answers. It's 1.7. so here we have, look at here. Once he say 4 significant, so all those number that are 4 we write as it is. Once he say 3 significant, so we just write 3 significance. Okay, once he said 1 significant. Okay, so I think yeah, so third significant, so I write here 5, and other than this all numbers must be 0. So remember this thing, class. So after that you just put here zeros, so we don't need to count these numbers. Now here, so likewise I will also mention, I will also write the answers for first question, like here the 4 significant, so no need to change 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so same like that you are just solving other parts. So then 3 significant, so what I write here, so we just write 4, 5, 1, 0. Okay, so the fourth number we never add. In the place of fourth number we put 0. In the place of 1, so as I told you, it's after 4 there is 5, so 5 add, because it's a 5 more than 4, so we add 1. 1 plus 4, that is 5, so 5. Other than this we just put zeros. Okay, so I hope all of you understand. Just 1 minute. Okay, now same like that you're solving the other parts. Okay, now here we have like I part. Okay, so as I told you before, here let's suppose four significant, so your number start from here. So what you write here, 9 4 8 and 0. Okay, you put here 0 0.00998 and then 0. So I will show you their answers. Now here you can see answers. So first of all, we must know which question. Part I. Question number 2, part I. Now here we have I, so as it is same, we just put 0 again. Okay, now once they had said 3 significant, so the same as it is same number we write. Once he said 1 significant, so 9, you must put 9. Okay, so after 9 there is another 9, so we add 1, so the answer is 10. Okay, so 1 is going to another side. So I hope it's all is so easy. So change this number, okay, into a decimal using the calculator. So we have a calculator, so write like that. Mm, so what we will do, 2 multiplied by 9, 18. Okay, 18 plus 5, 18, 20, 23. So 23 divided by 9. So that is equal to 2.55. So we just said 56. Okay, so this number, so convert this into three decimal, means this we have. So three decimal means after point three numbers. So first one I write here 2.556. Okay, so first of all I write here 2.556. Okay, when I have two decimals, then I write here 2.56. Okay, and when I have three decimals, sorry, one decimal, so I write here 2.6. Okay, so now here he's talking about three significants. Okay, three significants means only three number, 1 2 and 3. Okay, so what I write here, 2.56, three significants. Then next one, two significants mean two numbers, 2.6. Okay, then one significant, so we just write here 3. Okay, so let's see our answers are right or wrong. Let's check this one. Yeah, look at here, here are the answers. I hope all of you understand all. Okay, so see you in the next class, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me. Goodbye, take care.